Alright, I'm starting to get bored with my corona hair, so please bear with my hair for this video here, and let's get to unboxing the KZZ one. Are you excited? Excited. Selamat malam! Good evening everyone, Kenneth here. Today we are going to be unboxing the KZZ1. Yes, this is the very newest, latest, that is supposed to be the ultimate KZ True Wireless earbuds. Let's check it out real quick here. I'm gonna show you a real quick view of the box itself. So there's nothing really interesting here except that the battery capacity is only 30 milliamp hour. That's very small compared to Sabbath that has like 60 milliamp hour. And the case battery capacity is now 400 milliamp hour, up from 300. And yeah, nothing else really on the box itself. But I think they have upgraded their unboxing experience a little bit here, and it's more like the new iPhones compared to like some cheap stuff. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. There's a pull tab here. I'm gonna pull that out. Okay, so the pull tab is connected to the box itself, and the case is kind of big. Oh, but not that thick, so it's pretty good. Down here we got a very hard to pick. It should be the USB-C cable, right? It should be USB-C, right? Why? You have a micro USB cable, a very short micro USB cable, despite it being thicker than your usual USB cable. Oh, by the way, we've got another pair. So there are two pairs of ear tips. I'm gonna get a close-up view to you later. But bringing my point here, why in the world? It's 2020, I get it, it's Corona time. Are we backtracking ourselves to micro USB now? Or are you... Anyhow, let's move on. Let's check out the iPhone invitation. It really looks like unboxing a new iPhone. You get like your instruction manual. There's like a scan QR code to see operation video. Warranty. Alright. We'll check this out later on. I get it. They are upgrading the KZ-S1 and S1D into micro USB ports. I don't know what's the reason for that. Why would you change it? Do you have to pay for Type-C license or something? But anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. These are great earbuds, but if they change the port into micro USB, they would lose one advantage they have here. And also, if you have watched my KZ-S1D review video, I'm sorry to say that I thought there are two dynamic drivers inside. Turns out there's only one dynamic driver. And now let's get on to the KZ-S1. So we've got a plastic covering on the top here. So it's thinner than the KZ-S1 and the KZ-S1D, which is a very good thing because that's one complaint that I have with the other KZ-S1 series here, that it's quite thick and it gets into the size territory of the Halo GT1 Pro while having a very small battery inside. Right now it's having 400 milliamp hour battery despite it being pretty large, but I think it should be a no problem for you to put it inside your pocket because it's not that thick. And now let's check out the earbuds itself, right? Because it's got the most upgrade here. You know, I feel like I'm kind of proposing to you guys, you know, like a good one too. So presentation is actually pretty good. We've got another plastic covering here. Let's check out the earbuds. Wow, that is some real serious design. I'm gonna get a close-up view to you here. It's just next level. I can't, I'm lost for words here. If KZ-S1 already looks kinda sculpted, it looks like Sabbath here, this one is on some other world. It's just, wow. It stays right there. It's just like, you see, with this kind of shape, the upper protrusion here, it gets into your upper ear and it's just, you cannot twist it forward, you cannot twist it backwards, you cannot move it anywhere. It's just right there. This is pretty cool and wild at the same time. I have never seen anything like this before. And it's pretty shallow also, so it doesn't protrude out as much as the KZ-S1. So that's a really good thing actually. I think the fit is as good as the Sabbath or even better because of this protrusion in the upper part. And also we have this metal tip and metal mesh, which is very good to see again. I think I'm forgetting the color here. The green color is actually pretty cool. Alright, so the case is okay. Micro USB charger on the right side and an LED indicator on the center here automatically turns on if you take or put the earbuds in and out. But the most upgrade that you get on the KZZ1 is none other than the earbuds itself. And by that, I specifically mean the 10mm dynamic driver inside this thing. It's not the 6mm driver like you found basically on any in-ear design. They're calling it like XUN dynamic driver. Let's see if that is any good, because now you lose the balance armature on the KZS1, and let's see if this can compare to that. But before listening to this, now let's see how it pairs. Taking both earbuds out, the left side is flashing here, blue and red, Z1, and now they are connected. All right, now I've got a song playing. Both are playing music now. I'm gonna put the right side into the case, and the song is still playing. I'm gonna take the right side back, pairing successful, and I'm gonna put the left side back into the case. 3, 2, 1, and song is still playing. No disruption at all. If I put the left side as quick as I take the right side out, actually song is still playing, so it's not repairing or anything like that. The dual mode here is pretty good. All right, now I would like to take some time and listen to this, and I'll tell you my first impressions about this. See you in a bit. All right, guys, not gonna lie, this KZS1 is no awesome. There are a lot of things that they got right here, and they are an improvement over both the KZS1 and S1D. I think it shoots itself right up there, being the candidate for the best earbuds in its price, like basically 34, 35 bucks, right? But it's just crazy how this sounds. First, it's loud. I think it's more accurate to say that it's devastatingly loud. If you put it at 100%, it becomes a legit speakerphone. It's louder than even the MPOW T5 or basically anything else that I've ever heard. But loud doesn't matter, right? Sometimes we accidentally put it at 100% or something, right? And this will definitely damage your hearing, so make sure you want to check your volume before tapping the play button. I've warned you here. So let me tell you how it sounds. Now, with the absence of the balance armature in the KZS1, you would say the detail in the upper high ends would be gone, right? Wrong. It's almost as good as the KZS1. I have a hard time finding the difference on the upper ends between the KZZ1 and the S1. It's that good. And again, with that large of a diameter, 6mm compared to 10mm here, it pumps out that much more bass, and it's just much more dynamic. I haven't heard this kind of bass with this kind of detailed clarity in a while now, or actually like ever before. I don't know if this will even compare to the Liprotect Tevi, but yeah, I don't have the Tevi with me right now, so I'm comparing this with the other brothers. So how it sounds is not only it's way louder, I think it's louder than it should be, it sounds much better. The bass is better than the S1D, and the upper ends is just as good as the S1. And what's even better is the soundstage. So I even said it in my KZS1 review. The soundstage is pretty much compressed in the middle of your head here, but on the but not anymore on the Z1. You can hear the instruments, the vocals, they're better laid out, they're better spread. It performs very well in that Enter Sandman by Metallica. I like it so much. And the bass is very well controlled that I can enjoy well. Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis, which is a song that I cannot bear to listen to in bass heavy earbuds. Stay by Zed, EDM song. Oh, Man in a Mirror, fantastico. Other than this micro USB charging port, I basically cannot complain at anything on the KZZ1 here. Maybe volume control, but you know, I can easily reach my phone for that. The touch sensitivity here is just as good as ever. It doesn't detect touches even down here. You only touch like the upper side, the KZ logo there, which is very nice. And the shape of the earbuds, this is an improvement over the previous KZ, because you know, they are good fitting. They are better than the, let's say, Halo T15 for example, but sometimes I kind of feel they want to fall out, even though they never fall out. I kind of resolved that problem by changing the ear tips into Halo ear tips, but right now they've included a lot more ear tips inside here. You have the dome size default one, and the others are actually more like the Edifier TWS1 supplied, so it's more like a rounded rectangle, which feels more of your ear, blocks outside noise better, and makes this fit even better. So this has impressed me so much that I'm glad I unboxed it as soon as I get it. One thing though, I don't feel the gaming mode is better than the KZS one, but we'll find out later in a more in-depth full review of the KZZ one. And also battery tests, I will test it in the coming days. Follow me on Twitter for that. Do let me know down below which earbuds do you want me to compare this to, because this is one heck of a beast. If you've been looking for an upgrade from your sub $30 earbuds and you don't want to spend a lot on it, probably this is a good choice. Except one thing. I think I had audio stuttering issue, like the right side and the left side are not in sync together. They're like overlapping each other. But you know, once I put these back into the case and I take it out again, the problem is gone. So it may be a one-time thing, or it may be that the connection of the Z1 is not too strong. But what I can say right now, KZZ1, mamma mia. Here we go again. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. No call test for now, sorry, because it's like almost midnight right now. I'll make more videos with the KZZ1 soon. And also KZS2, I don't know why it didn't come with this together. That video will also come a little bit later. For now, for 34 bucks, it's very hard for me to find anything better than the KZZ1. Go ahead and buy it right now. I mean, if you've been looking for a true wireless earbuds to buy, but you're still hesitating, so go ahead and buy it. But if you don't, Selamat malam. Good evening, everyone. Kenneth here. Wait a second, I haven't even taken a look at specification, and you know, a song is playing on both of them. I'm gonna put the right side into the case. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you are as excited as me, and do click the subscribe down below to see the full review, call test, latency test, you name it, down in the description below, and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. I'm Kenneth, and stay safe, everyone.